Hello you guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Drama101sc. If you guys are not already subscribed, please go ahead and do so. Ha ha ha. Guess what you guys? Ooh. I just now shave off most of my facial hair. You guys like it? Well, let me know what you think inside the comment box below. And yes. I cut off my hair too. So we're trying something new. New job at Joseph A. Banks, if you guys didn't know. So trying to be a little more like, you know, whatever they may want me to be. But if you guys are feeling this very kind of sleek, like daytime to nighttime glam look and want to know how I achieve it, keep watching. So as usual, you guys, I'm priming my face with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Primer in the color Soft Matte. For eyebrows, I do the exact same thing. So I'm going to go ahead and get my eyebrows done, and I'll be back. You guys, I totally forgot that I needed to color correct because guess who done cut their beard off? Me. So to color correct, I'm going to go in with my hair store. Just with some concealer from the hair store, y'all. Just kind of dab that bad boy on there, right there. A little bit right there. There we go. Then I'm going to conceal all that in with my sponge. I'm just going to put some on my forehead, y'all, because y'all know, like, I'm creasing like an old woman, like, early. Filling these little lines. Now that that's done, I'm going to bake and set that. Well, I'm going to set that, not so much bake. And to do that, I'm going to use my new Sephora Bright Set pressed powder in the shade Banana. New brush that you guys ain't seen yet. This is my Sigma Bit Kabuki, my F89. Yeah, I have a good bit of brushes that I do not use and that y'all may not see me use. But just know though, like, I don't know, like I'm trying to get better at using my brushes. So y'all may start seeing more brushes. So just know I got the tools, you know? Because I may have put a little much on that right there, I'm going to then go in with my Sigma Powder Sweep F06 brush. A little slight dusteroo, you know? Yo, don't my forehead look a little big saying I got my hair cut now? I feel like I look a little straight. Like, no shade towards anybody that's straight, but like,
I'm not gay no more. I am delivered. I don't like men no more. I said I like women. Women. I said women. I'm not gay. I would not date a man. I would not carry a purse. I would not put on makeup.
I can pull it off. Baby Dominique coming in the future. In case y'all thought that I was just gonna be for foundation today, we're going in with my Lancome foundation in the shade 555 Sweat. I still So y'all know I'm not like a full coverage girl. So your skin bit better. Here I come. After that, we're gonna go ahead and highlight. Y'all, I literally have to contour today. First time, never did it before. So we're going to see. Do. For this right here, I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty Matchstick in the shade Espresso and Suede.
Which I normally don't do, but guess who's gonna get today? Y'all are.
To blend all that in, I'm going to go in with my Sigma Concealer Baked Kabuki, which is their F79 brush. On top of that, with my Sephora Creaseless Concealer in the shade Pot of Cream, just a little dab, you know, never too much.
Do. Now I'm going to go in with, again, my Fenty Matchstick in the shade Espresso. Like I just thought, y'all, this is literally the color of my foundation. Like, Fenty girl, thanks. Not that underneath there. Underneath there. A little jaggedy line down there. Starting from the brows. Running in here. I think they're gonna be calling me Rudolph. Not tonight. We're gonna see how it's gonna work. Go back in with my foundation sponge since it's about the same color and kind of just make sure I got everything looking all like seamless, you know. Let's pat this in a little bit right here because that glow. My forehead's a little too big. You already know my forehead's already big, y'all. So that, put it in here. Look at my highlighter brush, kind of like make sure I'm blending this all in so it looks seamless. No lines, no lines, no lines. Time to bake. Again, I'm going to use my, cause I ain't using that loose powder. I'm going to go back to my bright set powder with Sephora, and we're going to just use that with, I'm going with my Bake Precision Sigma P89 brush. You know what? I'm not reliable. Y'all know what it is. Press on this forehead right here. Press button underneath eyes. Just know.
A little puff give. Right, that's thinking we're gonna do something with these eyes. I'm not trying to be too dramatic tonight, okay? Because I'm trying to look like, I don't know. So going with cinnamon. Okay, you know my everyday go-to look. We're gonna go with Fenty Beauty Matchstick in the shade Cinnamon. Y'all already know my everyday go-to look. Okay, we're gonna use this right here. A little halo right there. Then that boy out. Crease that color right there and there. There we go. Yes, Fenty. I'm gonna go into this shade right here, like a pretty with like a pretty dense brush, like a cranberry color. And I'm gonna go just pop this right here. To take Urban Decay Full Spectrum palette. This shade right here is called Platonic. It's like a blackish shade with like a little shimmer to it, you know. Then I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna darken up the outer edge of this, kind of, you know, just like smoke it out. Y'all know I'm so nosy, so I gotta hold my eyes down now to do this. Then I'm going to go in with the lid color. For that, we're going to go back to the Mini Masquerade palette. We're going to use this color right here. I'm not even going to try to pronounce these names, okay? But this color right here. I'll use as an inner corner highlight. And just to add a little drama, we're gonna go in with this color right here. We're gonna just dab just a little of that in the middle, a little. Blaze that on top of that, you know. eyeliner is done. Oh no. It looks a little good, a little fat, but what's going on with the bottom? What's going on with the bottom now? What's going on with the bottom? Jeez Louise, I can't never be nothing good in life. I always go back to my foundation sponge, just to let y'all know that. Okay, next. Setting spray time. Ballistic chapstick. And I'm now going to take this brush right here. Y'all know or reliable, and I'm gonna go in with, again, the matchstick in the shade Cinnamon to highlight.
Moving on to Cupid's bow action going on here. Lydia's underneath their eyes, y'all. Just a little too much. Throwing that bad boy down.
And voila, this right here is actually the final look. Hope you guys like it. I mean, I don't know. It's cute and all, but I don't know. But we'll see. Again, you guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And yeah, comments, questions, or criticism, leave them down there inside of the comment box, and I'll make sure to get back to y'all whenever I have time, because, you know, I'm just so busy, you know, not doing nothing. But for real, y'all, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please come back and see me again. Like, share, and subscribe. As always, stay blessed.
Got enough to love yourself.